You're watching Lucas World Academy. Hi guys, we're gonna learn animals today with these two books we got at Subway. These are from Little People, and this one shows zoo animals, and this one shows farm animals. Now let's start with the farm animals. Here we got a horse. Can you say horse? Good. This is a cow. Can you say cow?
Cow.
This is a pig. Can you say pig?
Pig.
And this is a chicken. Can you say chicken? Good. This is a sheep. Can you say sheep? And this is a rooster. Can you say rooster? Can you say cock-a-doodle? This is a duck. Can you say duck? And this is an owl. Can you say owl?
Owl.
Good job. Well, that was the farm animals book. Now let's check the zoo animals book. This is a leopard. Can you say leopard? This is an elephant. Can you say elephant? Nice job. This is a rhinoceros. Can you say rhinoceros? Or rhino? Good. This is a polar bear. Can you say polar bear? Good job. This is a tiger. Can you say tiger? Here's a giraffe. Can you say giraffe?
Giraffe.
Good job. This is a hippopotamus or hippo. Can you say hippo? Good job. And this is a gorilla. Can you say gorilla? Nice job. Well, that was the zoo animals book. Well, those were the two books. Hope you had a nice time learning animals with us. And we'll see you next time. Bye! Don't wait. Click on other videos and subscribe.